Hi friends, welcome to day 16 of the 180 days mains challenge where we are covering the main syllabus and every day we are writing one PYQ. So today's topic was buffer stock. You had to read the mains master notes, the updated mains master notes which I have given you. You had to go through the mains master card and then attempt this PYQ. Let us read the PYQ. Elucidate the importance of buffer stocks for stabilizing agri prices in India. What are the challenges with the storage of buffer stock? So the question has two parts. First part is saying what is the significance of buffer stock in agriculture price stabilization, and second is what are the challenges. So I have divided the answer into two parts. First, I have defined what is a buffer stock. Buffer stock basically is a reserve of agriculture commodity that is basically maintained to offset any price fluctuation or any emergency situation. Then I have shown this diagram: buffer stock, manage price fluctuation and emerging situation like drought, famines. Next, buffer stock and agri price stabilization. That is what is asked. How buffer stock stabilizes the agri prices. So guys, in agriculture what happens? There are two situations. When there is a poor harvest, because of poor harvest, prices will increase. So what happens is that government uses buffer stock to release more rice and wheat in the market, and thus the prices will cool off. This will basically increase the supply and the prices will cool off. Or in the situation when there is good harvest, then there is oversupply of food grains, then the prices in the market will collapse. During that time, guys, government will procure more food grains from the farmers at the MSP and thus stabilize the price. So this is how I have shown in the diagram during the bad harvest and good harvest how price is stabilized using buffer stock. Next, I have given challenges of the buffer stock. In challenges of buffer stock, basically it's a storage challenge, inadequate storage, unscientific storage, high storage cost, excess stock above the buffer limit. Guys, we are storing more than what is the buffer limit, and that is why lot of pilferage, lot of wastage is taking place. And the way forward, we have to basically follow the Shanta Kumar panel report. Shanta Kumar panel report I have covered in my mains master notes. Please have a look at it.